Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve OneDrive with the error code 0x8004de20 in Windows computer. So this error 0x8004de20 usually due to a problem in the sign-in sessions or user account setup. It may also display as OneDrive must be signed in. It may arise both consumer and business accounts. And several causes include Microsoft account password has been altered or has expired, and OneDrive not authenticate, and Windows update and temporary settings. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type control a panel and then click open. And once you open up this control panel, and then we need to modify, so you can see this view by at top right corner and category, and then click this arrow, and you need to select large icons to see all settings, and then click. And then here, then we need to select credential manager and then click. And here at manage your credentials, so we have two options credential here. One is web credentials and the other one is Windows credentials. So all you have to do is to select Windows credentials and then click. And then here, then we need to find and locate this OneDrive that has been connected. All right. So click this Windows credentials, and then you need to select generic credentials, and then we need to find and locate those OneDrive connections. Then you can see here this OneDrive.com, and then we need to remove these credentials. On how to remove these credentials, and then you need to click this arrow at on right side, and then next step you can see here this remove, and then click and delete generic credentials. Are you sure want to permanently delete these generic credentials? And then click yes. Alright, so you can see now that this already removed, and all you have to do is to close this credential manager, and here at start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix OneDrive with the error code 0x8004de20 and Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.